Hello and welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a folder in Clickup. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Clickup application, then this type of interface will appear in the screen. From the left side of your screen you can see a menu bar. There you can see space section. There click on space in which you want to add the folder or just create a space. I'll create a space called YouTube. Then click to continue. You can also add description. Click to create space. Then your space will be created. Inside here you can see a plus button. Click to plus. Then you can see folder option. Click to folder. Then from here you can choose a folder name. Then click to folder, create folder. Then your folder will be created. This is how you can create folder in Clickup. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.